Alrighty, prepping the switch to install. I got the double fuse switch, double pole, single throw switch to install. I'm going to use one to jump out the accessory fuse for towing, and the other one is for the brake light switch, which I will attach in line here to prevent it from overriding the turn signals that will be sent from the motorhome. So, step one. Alrighty, so a lot of this stuff has to go in concurrently. I'm going to install one thing at a time. So this is the unit that fastens inside of the car. It's got the accelerometer doodad in it. So I'll be putting that in, getting a lot of the hardware mounted, and then we'll take it from there. Alrighty, for the lighting, we got the plug and play kit. Comes with the steering diodes. This plugs in line with your tail lights to control your turn signals and your brake lights. The steering diodes are to keep power from the motorhome feeding the lights from feeding back into the outputs of the computer that feeds them from the car, preventing damage, and that's what that's all about. So, finish this up. Alrighty, got my inertia controller mounted. Got the switch on there to save me from having to pull that fuse all the time. I gotta run them through the firewall. Okay, there's the bundle of wires coming from the inertia controller. And there is the dandy little cylinder that you mount to pull your brake in. It's got a little cable here that's fastened to the firewall. When the cylinder activates, it pulls the brake pedal in. You have to drill a hole up through here. Now to feed all these wires and the hose through. The fun never stops. Well, I tell you, that was a tough battle, but I got her on. And she's a perfect. A little cutting here and there, according to the instructions. Now I just got to hook up the rest of these wires and hoses, and I'm good. Nothing to it. Well, almost finished. I can say with great enthusiasm that this job was a pain in the ass. I got the brake controller box, the main box and pump mounted. All the wires run, everything's wired up in through here, everything's wired through the dash. Tow bar's on, plug's wired. And tomorrow I have to trim up the front fascia and put it all back together, put it back on, and then try it out. Now, this truly was a pain in the ass, but I saved $2,500. Alrighty, this is it, all done. Came out really good. I'm very happy. Now to